What the heck just happened over this last weekend? The stock market, crypto market, and Japan's market, they all crashed. Everybody was screaming recession, everybody was scared out of their minds, and everyone was losing their minds, and they were just selling at losses. Well, in this video today, we are going to find out what exactly happened. Let's get to it. Hey, welcome back to Crypto Strategies with Chris. My name is Chris. The global stock markets experienced one of the worst days ever since 1987. And here are some of the reasons why we had that huge crash. Japan's market crash. We have the US job reports that are very low. And then we have a lack of Fed rate cuts. Even some analysts are saying that the Federal Reserve might implement an emergency rate cut before September. According to CME's FedWatch tool, there is a good chance for a 50 basis point reduction, then a 25 basis point cut. As of now, the federal rate stands at 5.25 to 5.5, the highest level since 2001. CME futures data are suggesting that rates could drop as low as 4% to 4.25% by the end of 2024. The next FOMC meeting is September 18th, then the following one will be November 7th. Make sure you are keeping track of the markets because they will be very volatile during those times. Now on to news of our Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. Right when we got it approved, people had to go and mess it up by running away and selling their ETFs. Investors pulled out almost 423 million from Bitcoin ETFs in the past days, the largest sell-off since the birth of the crypto ETFs. This huge sell-off now represents the first test for cryptocurrency ETFs. But one of the things you need to know is that none of the big players sold any of their ETFs. BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, MicroStrategy, none of them sold. And those are the people that really know and understand how markets work. And since they didn't get scared off, that means something for us. That's actually pretty bullish for Bitcoin and ETFs in general. And another thing you should know is that the Bitcoin ETF, once it launched, it hit the milestone of $10 billion in record time. No other commodity or stock ever did that. No other ETF has ever done that. So that just means there was a high demand for the Bitcoin ETFs. And there's going to continue to be a high demand for the Bitcoin ETFs. Do not be shaken out of this. Stay strong and hodl. On to some Shiba news. They now have over 1,000 signatures for the petition for Binance to start burning their SHIB token. The Shiba Air Army has revealed their goal of 50,000 signed petitions. That is the goal they are trying to reach so that Binance can take them seriously. If you would like to support them, go to this post on X. Click the link and then go and sign the petition. And to know the reason why they are pushing so much is because Binance owns 62.8 trillion tokens. That's a lot of tokens for an exchange to hold. So now the main story, why the Japan markets crash. The Bank of Japan raised rates on short-term government bonds from 0% to 0.25%. This move set off a cascade of events that eventually caused the traditional and crypto market to crash. Currencies often gain value when domestic interest rates rise. Around July 31st, the USD and JPY exchange rate dropped from 153 yen per dollar to 145 yen per dollar, making the yen-denominated loan to become much more expensive. We now have an update about Japan. They are trying to correct what they have done. On August 7th, the governor confirmed that the bank would keep rates low to manage market volatility and economic challenges. He emphasized the need for continued monetary easing to support Japan's economy during global financial instability. So at least Japan is thinking the right way now. They're gonna do it softly. For whatever reason, they did it that way. Maybe it was market manipulation, maybe it was a mistake. We don't really know, but I really hope most of y'all got to buy in on the dip, because those were great prices, and it's still a dip right now. Now let's hear some news about mass adoption for Bitcoin. Over 2,000 letters to US senators are calling for a Bitcoin strategic reserve. This movement aligns with Senator Cynthia Lummis' Bitcoin Act proposal. This act seeks to establish secure Bitcoin vaults managed by the US Treasury. The act wishes to purchase 1 million Bitcoins, representing about 5% of the total supply. Oh my gosh, if the US owned 5% of the supply of Bitcoin, they would definitely be running the show here. Advocates argue this reserve could help reduce national debt and combat inflation, positioning the U.S. as a leader in financial innovation. Now, we all know that this year is election year for the U.S. Pray, do something. We need the right leader to help crypto to have mass adoption. And we need the right leader just to help the whole economy to be rising instead of falling and to decrease inflation. So hopefully this election year, the right person who can do that job is elected. Bitcoin and crypto, they aren't going anywhere. This is our .com boom. The internet is evolving right before our eyes. It's evolving into blockchain technology, and we need to be a part of it. Do your own research and take a chance. Strategize yourself into financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments section. Make sure to press that like button and subscribe to my channel for more daily news updates. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now, friends.